Morwenna Petaia, and I am the owner of Measina Treasures of Samoa. I wanted to share with you my love-hate relationship with my curly hair. I've had curly hair ever since I was born. It's completely natural, and when I was about 10 or 11, I think it was, I started to hate my curly hair, especially the little bits that stick up over here. For some reason, I wanted it all to stay flat and completely smooth, just like others people with straight hair that I had seen on television and in the community. And this is where I began to hate my curly hair. I hated it so much that I took scissors to my hair and cut all of the little sticky uppy bits, and that resulted in me looking like this. And this is where I hated my hair, I hated the way I looked, I hated myself, and I kept comparing myself to other people. I kept comparing myself to what I saw on the television, and there was nothing that was anything that remotely looked like me or had hair like me. And that's where I began to dislike myself. When we started to see African Americans on television, their hair was kind of curly like mine. And so I started to try the different styles of braiding, and I tried to do all of these different things to my hair that looked great, and they were cool because they were on television as well. And so I started to feel a bit better about my hair and myself, but it still was not me. That was not Morwenna, the natural Morwenna, the Samoan Morwenna. And it wasn't until I was a teenager and went to Samoa and saw Tangata Pasifika, something that never ever would see in Australia, a program specifically for Pacific people. And there was a host on Tangata Pasifika, and her hair was curly like mine. She had a flat nose like mine. She was fair skinned but still kind of tanned, and she looked just like me. And I knew then that what I felt needed to come from me, and how I felt about myself needed to come from me. And that is when I started to venture out and learn more about who I am, what do I stand for. And then I started to feel beautiful, I started to feel confident, and we designed our Aulele t-shirt because we want all of our women to feel beautiful with who they are and what they look like right now. Aulele is the Samoan word for beautiful. So if you know somebody who is beautiful, if you know somebody who you think should feel beautiful, the Aulele t-shirt is for you. This is why I wanted this on a t-shirt, because yes, we have t-shirts that say beautiful, they say cute, but they're not really us. I wanted something that was truly Samoan, that we could link back to our generations, and this is why we have the Aulele t-shirt. And thank you for listening to my TED Talk, and hope to see you again. Tō whāsai whā.